Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Maleficent. Step 1. Sketch the guidelines. Draw a shape similar to an egg pointing down in the middle of the page. Draw two intersecting lines across the egg shape, one vertical and one horizontal. Add two smaller lines in between the horizontal line and the bottom of the egg shape. On top of the horizontal line, and on either side of the vertical line, draw two shapes that resemble footballs for Maleficent's eyes. Then draw a line similar to the letter M with the left stem missing above her eyes. Use the vertical line to indicate where the line dips in the middle, and it should end on top of the horizontal line on the right side. Above Maleficent's head, draw two curved lines for guides for the horns. Step 2. Draw her face. Draw Maleficent's nose on the left side of the vertical line, making it graze the left eye. Darken the shape of Maleficent's eyes and draw a thicker line above each eye to create her eyelashes. Inside each eye, draw a small circle and shade it in as her pupil. Draw an arc above each of Maleficent's eyes for her eyelids. Draw Maleficent's eyebrows above her eyes. Use the lowest of the horizontal lines to help you place Maleficent's mouth. Her upper lip is thin and is drawn with a wavy line. Maleficent's lower lip is thicker and is drawn with two curved lines. Draw the outline of Maleficent's face by using the line on her forehead and the egg shape as guides. Be sure to dip the line on the left side in towards her eye a bit to form her cheekbone and give her a long pointy chin. Step 3. Draw her headdress. The bottom part of the horns should be thick, and they should get thinner the higher they go. Draw the back portion of Maleficent's headdress as angled lines similar to triangles behind her head. Draw two on each side of her face. Draw a few curved lines under her head for the top of Maleficent's collar. Darken the visible portion of her neck and draw a line within it. Step 4. Outline and color. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned for our next How to Draw on Saturday, April 3rd at 1 p.m.